AerynOS Gnome, small ISO, big desktop dreams. In the world of Linux distributions, a common assumption is that a small installation AerynOS Gnome, small ISO, big desktop dreams. In the world of Linux distributions, a common assumption is that a small installation ISO means sacrificing functionality or desktop richness. However, AerynOS Gnome boldly challenges this notion by delivering a powerful, full-featured Gnome desktop experience packaged in a surprisingly compact ISO. This independent Linux distro, born from the vision of Iki Doherty, former creator of Solus and Budgie Desktop, aims to provide efficient design without the bloat, redefining what's possible in resource-conscious computing. Breaking the small ISO myth. AerynOS's live ISO, which weighs in compactly despite featuring the latest GNOME 48 desktop environment, shatters the misconception that smaller distros mean limited capabilities. On first launch, users experience remarkable speed and responsiveness. GNOME 48 itself is a major upgrade, bringing HDR support, dynamic triple buffering, Wayland color management, and new well-being-centric features such as battery charge limiting, all enhancing usability and visual performance. The GNOME Powerhouse Experience. Underneath the sleek interface, AerynOS offers the full GNOME 48 desktop, replete with its wealth of applications, customization options, and user-friendly features. Users can expect workflow-enhancing tools, system settings tailored for efficiency, and a modern graphical environment typically associated with more sizable distributions. This is no minimalist afterthought, but a comprehensive desktop designed for both newcomers and experienced Linux users. Under the hood, efficiency secrets. So how does AerynOS keep its ISO size small without compromising features? Its secret lies in a careful selection of packages, focusing on native software while avoiding bulky frameworks like Flatpak or Snap. The distro employs a modern Rust-based package manager called MOS, which manages atomic updates and system rollbacks efficiently, helping maintain system integrity and speed. The revamped Lichen installer separates front-end and back-end processes, enabling flexible and efficient disk management with dynamic partitioning, all while keeping the system footprint lean. Real-world application and AMP use cases. AerynOS fits a broad spectrum of users. Those seeking to breathe new life into older hardware will appreciate its resource-conscious design, paired with a cutting-edge desktop experience. Daily users looking for a fast, stable, yet modern OS will find it compelling. Its support for kernel 6.13.8 and the latest Mesa graphics stack ensures compatibility and performance for a range of hardware. However, being currently in alpha stage, users should be mindful of potential bugs and the need for an active internet connection during installation. Final verdict, AerynOS GNOME's place. AerynOS Gnome redefines expectations for lightweight Linux distros by combining a small ISO size with a feature-rich, polished GNOME 48 desktop environment. Its efficient architecture, modern tooling, and innovative package management create a distro that is both fast and full-featured. While it remains in alpha, it already demonstrates significant promise for users prioritizing performance without compromise. If you're curious about a fresh Linux experience that blends minimal footprint with maximal desktop dreams, AerynOS Gnome is an exciting distro worth trying and sharing your own journey with.